Hi, kids! Welcome back to the Fun Words Show. Today, we're going to learn different ways to say goodbye. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's speak. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye for now. Bye for now. See you. See you. See you later. See you later. See you soon. See you soon. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. See you next time. See you later. I look forward for our next meeting. I look forward for our next meeting.
Let's speak. Take care. Take care. Good night. Good night. It was nice seeing you. It was nice seeing you. Take it easy. Take it easy. Catch ya later. Catch ya later. Have a good one. Have a good one. Have a safe journey. Have a safe journey. It was nice seeing you. Take care. It was nice seeing you. Take care. Goodbye. See you soon. Goodbye. See you soon. Farewell, until we meet again. Farewell, until we meet again. Let's speak. Have a safe trip at home. Have a safe trip at home. Goodbye, have a great day. Goodbye, have a great day. I hope to see you again soon. I hope to see you again soon. Take care and keep in touch. Take care and keep in touch. It was nice meeting you. Goodbye. It was nice meeting you. Goodbye. Goodbye, have a safe flight. Goodbye, have a safe flight. Bye, see you next time. Bye, see you next time. I'm really going to miss you. I'm really going to miss you. Let's catch up again soon. Let's catch up again soon. Until next time, take care. Until next time, take care.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.